Welcome to this fantastic opportunity in Southwest Portland's sought-after Vista Hills neighborhood. Situated on nearly half an acre, this stately one-level home is located in a peaceful setting. It gives you easy access to downtown, Washington County, and it's in the Beaverton School District. A paver walkway welcomes you to this recently remodeled 2,800 square foot home. You'll discover quality upgrades throughout, beautiful wood floors, and abundant natural light. The stacked stone fireplace provides a dramatic focal point. The gourmet light-filled kitchen has every amenity for the chef in the family and opens to the dining nook with French doors. You'll find an elegant slab granite center island, a gas cooktop, stainless steel appliances, peaceful views, and a walk-in pantry. It opens to an inviting family room. Escape to the huge master suite with vaulted ceilings, a sitting area, a walk-in closet, and slider to the deck. The tiled master bath features fine finishes, separate vanities, a walk-in shower, and a large soaking tub. This home has plenty of space with 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms with elegant finishes. French doors open to the back deck and spacious landscaped yard, ready for entertaining. Or you can relax by the fire pit, tucked away for cozy outdoor gatherings. Living here, you're close to shopping, parks, schools, and restaurants. Beautiful one-level living in an established neighborhood. You'll find it all here waiting for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or to schedule your personal tour, please contact Kali Naone with Premier Property Group at 503-260-9558.